My square body Chevy K20 was almost perfect the day it left the factory in 1973 and 1985. The one thing really missing is proper tie-down points like hooks or D-rings. Watch this video to see my ultra-functional budget DIY solution. Unistrut is one of man's greatest inventions, normally used in commercial construction and warehouse applications for suspending things in wires, fastening objects in place, and making custom brackets. It's also perfect for custom DIY solutions in the home and automotive world. Using scrap Unistrut leftover from my Harbor Freight to Overland trailer conversion, I created bed rails for the K20 by drilling the top lip of the bed and spot welding the Unistrut in place. If you don't have a welder, you could easily use bolts instead. After you like and subscribe, I'll share a Home Depot Unistrut hack. If you buy 10 sticks or more, you'll get a roughly 15% bulk price reduction. It's actually cheaper to buy 10 sticks than to buy 9. Obviously only helpful if you're going to be doing a lot of projects with Unistrut. After lining out the Unistrut and drilling the holes, I started the first weld with my best guess of settings. It was close, but had to be dialed in. I'm not a professional, just know enough to get myself into trouble. This first one was not my best weld. I improved these welds by coming straight down into the hole to avoid accidentally hitting the top of the sheet metal, and also lowered the wire speed and increased the voltage so it had time to melt into the Unistrut while filling and melting into the drilled hole. While the tie-down tension is still ultimately put on the top sheet metal lip of the bed, the load is much more spread out this way and will prevent bend and pinch points. I also think it's awesome that the custom bed rails are hidden and the bed still looks stock. Remember to always clean and prep your steel to ensure clean and solid welds. This time-lapse portion of the video accounts for about an hour and 15 minutes. So start to finish this was all under 2 hours, including the extra time for filming. It's always important to primer and paint any untreated bare steel. I chose these $13 metric M10 Eyebolts on Amazon because they were a better price than the SAE options available. I found $10 M10 channel nuts there too. Some of the bolt-on D-ring options were cheaper, but I wanted the ability to easily move the tie-down points by hand with no tools. Personally, I always remove the springs from Unistrut channel nuts. At around $50 all in, these DIY Unistrut bed rails will be going on all my future square body trucks. It's awesome being able to secure tie down safely anywhere in the bed now. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.